Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only going to use one account. Now, most people that use My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we only using one because a beginner is only going to use one account to try it out and see if it works or not, or whatever, right? So I want to show those type of results and show you that this works even with just one account. Minimum effort, you know what I mean? So you can some people might get better results than me, you might get worse results than me, but this is the ballpark of what I'm doing with just one account. All right guys, and YouTube of course with my YouTube videos. Now if you're interested in following on, make sure to check out the links in the description. They're all there. Also make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. All right, so first off, I'm gonna talk about the reason why I like promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business. It's because it's a funnel builder. You get most stuff too, but it's a funnel builder with no limitations to it. Meaning no making many funnels you want, many pages you want, whatever it may be. And anybody knows if you're an online marketer, you need a funnel builder, right? So you essentially get a no limitation funnel builder for $25. Think about it like that, which is a way better deal than most. I think the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month, and it has a ton of limitations to it. You can only make a certain amount of funnels, how many domains, all this stuff, how many people can see your page, whatever it may be. You got a ton of limitations to it. If you don't want those limitations, you got to pay $300 per month, which is absolutely insane to me. All right guys, don't do it. Don't do it. I did it. I used to do it. I don't do it anymore. But anyway, guys. Now, the second reason, I think the most important reason, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested in promoting this product is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions. 80 cents out of every dollar you make them. That's insane, guys. Think about it like this. If you were to tell me that before I found this product that a product was doing 40% recurring commission, I would have thought to myself, that's really good. So 80% is just astronomical, guys. It's unbelievable. This is something you don't really see every day, you know what I mean? So that's why this is the best product to promote right now. It's 80% recurring commissions. You're billing the income. That's why you should promote it right now, guys. Get on it. All right. So anyway, let's look at our results and see how I'm doing. I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay guys, it looks like I didn't get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, guys. Not a big deal. Happens sometimes. You can't let it dwell on you, you know what I mean? So if you want to try to build income, you can't let it dwell on you when it's not working sometimes, because it's working overall. That's what you got to pay attention to. All right guys. Also, when somebody show you their results, make sure they refresh the page to show you real results. It's very easy to change all these numbers around, right? So anyway, guys, let's get to it. So we're gonna go to the mailing system here. We're gonna do that. We're gonna select all right there. Before we can money keep climbing, we're gonna go to our next email here, right here. All right, so we're gonna pick that email, copy that. You want to, guys, you copy that email you want to. Now make sure to go down so you can see the whole email, so you can copy if you're interested. So you can just pause the video at it. All right, so we're just gonna get it right there, right there, right there. That's about it, guys. Make sure you put your link in right here. Now the link you want to use, guys, I personally use is the all-in-one $25 bid, because it has two recurring incomes that it's promoting. One is $20 per month, one is $100 per month. That means you can make $120 off of one person. You know what I mean? So that's why I promote it. So anyway, guys, make sure you put that link in there like that, right guys? And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure your link works by hitting preview and clicking on your link. I know mine works because I sent this email before. And make sure you got perfect timing going. What perfect timing does, send them email around the time people check their email. So it's a very good chance of them checking it, because it end up on top of their list. So anyway, let's hit send, and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very easy, very simple to do. Only take about 5 minutes every morning, and I'm getting like $400 to $600 a month already. and it's slowly building up, guys. And I'm just doing this every day for the last like going on 3 months. But this is day 86, 87, somewhere around there. So that the last 3 months. So anyway, guys, like I stated before, if you're interested in following along to get this really lucrative affiliate marketing system here, it's for 80% recurring commissions. The links in the description below. Like I stated before, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.